Keep baseboard ends flush on bulged or uneven walls by planning, dry fitting, and using targeted adhesive and fasteners for a tight, lasting join. Start by dry fitting every piece and marking high and low points on both the wall and the trim so you know where material needs to compress or gap. When you have a joint that must sit flush over a bulge, cut one piece to ride over the high spot and cope or scribe the mating piece so the visible face stays continuous. Coping means cutting the profile to match the contour of the first piece so the joint can close tightly. Use a construction adhesive that cures quickly or a polymer adhesive with an activator when you need the joint to lock immediately. Apply adhesive to the mating faces, press the joint closed, and wipe excess before it skins. Fasten only at studs with finishing nails or narrow crown staples to avoid pinching the trim away from low spots and allow the adhesive to take load between studs. For long runs, add a hidden spline or biscuit in the back of the joint to prevent twisting over an uneven substrate while keeping the face aligned. Finally, when small gaps remain, use paintable caulk sparingly, tooling smooth toward the visible face so the joint reads tight after painting. Common mistakes include forcing nails through the trim over a bulge which leaves a visible gap and loose ends. Instead, shift fasteners to studs and rely on adhesive to keep the joint compressed. Another error is skipping the dry fit and cutting in place, which produces mismatched profiles and uneven sightlines. Always test fit and scribe or cope as needed before final fastening. A third issue is overcaulking to hide major misalignment, which leaves a lumpy seam and hides underlying structural movement. Fix the mechanical fit first and use caulk only for hairline corrections. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information so we can find people who do this kind of trim work and discuss techniques. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors and homeowners find work and solutions together.